Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 266 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Notice anything different about me? That's right my friends, I got a new hairstyle. I got some curls. It's so pretty. Well, anyway, it is so cold outside and I'm in the mood for some hot chocolate. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious hot chocolate using one of my favorite combinations, orange and chocolate. So we're going to make orange hot chocolate. It is devolves.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of orange and chocolate goodness. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And it would definitely warm up your soul. And it is perfect on a cold winter day. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And check out my hot chocolate playlist for more delicious hot chocolate recipes. So grab your orange and your cocoa powder sugar because we're about to make some orange hot chocolate magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. We're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar, a half a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a fourth of a teaspoon of salt, and a half a cup of water. Going to give that a quick stir. Going to let this cook until all the lumps dissolve, about 3 minutes. Alright my friends, the sugar and the cocoa has dissolved and it's nice and smooth. Alright, that looks great. Next, we're going to add in 4 cups, which is a quart of whole milk. Going to give that a stir. And we're going to turn it down to simmer. And we're going to let this heat through for about 5 minutes. Alright my friends, the hot chocolate is almost complete. So now I removed it off the fire. So next for the final ingredients, we're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of chocolate extract, 1 teaspoon of orange extract, the zest of a large orange, and the juice of a large orange. And just stir all this together. Smells good. I love the smell of orange and chocolate. Alright, so now I'm going to put it back on the stove on low heat so it can stay warm. Alright my friends, there you have it, orange hot chocolate. Don't that look gorgeous? And I garnish it with some chocolate syrup and some orange zest and some whipped cream. I'm about to give this a taste. Alright, here we go. So warm and comforting, and it's bursting with orange chocolate flavor. If y'all a fan of orange and chocolate, y'all will enjoy this hot chocolate. This deserves another sip. Orange hot chocolate-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Cheers, and stay warm, my friends.